Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe. And if you're all here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm going to be sharing some new ReVair products with you guys. I know, new product alert. They just came out. I believe they're available on their website right now. They did send these to me. This is not a sponsored video, but I am going to be going over their new products. And you guys know I am completely obsessed with my ReVair, my reverse air dryer hair vacuum cleaner thing. Y'all know I am obsessed. I use this thing all the freaking time. So I'm gonna be doing a review for you guys on their new hair care line. Basically, it's just a lot of thermal protectants and a shine spray. But before I jump into it, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. And without further ado, let's jump into it. So my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. It is towel drying currently. This is what, oh, this twist is coming apart. This is what everything is looking like. I am just going to start off on the right side of my head like usual. And these are the 3 full-size items that they sent me. This is Wave Goodbye, Bright Spot, and Play It Straight. This is Play It Straight, and these are the Wave Goodbye and the Shine Spray. The Shine Spray is for all hair types. The Play It Straight is for curly and coily hair types, and the Wave Goodbye is for straighter and wavy hair types. So I think that's really cute. They also sent me the miniature travel size versions of everything as well. These are super cute, okay? Super cute. Now, I don't know if you would want to travel with the whole ReVair machine situation, but if you do need thermal protectants, they have miniature versions. If you wanted to just try them out before you buy the full size, just to see if it's going to work for your hair. Today, I'm going to be using the Play It Straight, Coily, and Curly one. I'm going to be using this as a heat protectant, and then I'm going to follow it up with the Bright Spot Shine Spray. They actually said you could use this as a detangler as well, which I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna use it as a detangler, but yeah, we gonna use these 2 today and see what my hair is looking like when it's all said and done. Based off the ingredients, it looks like these products would really work, like good. I think the wavy hair product, the one for straight and wavy hair, that one has glycerin in the first few ingredients, so she's already not my friend, but maybe I'll try that one later. This is what the product looks like. It's very hard. It's kind of hard. You know, like it just made an impression. I got some hair in there already, but it's, I don't know. It smells good. I like it. I like the fragrance. This is heavy. This seems kind of waxy and heavier, so it said to warm it up in your hands, and I would probably, I'm not gonna be heavy-handed today, y'all. We ain't doing that today. We gonna take a little bit more, warm it up in my hands, focus it on my ends. Okay, so the first piece of my hair is done, and remember that time I said I wasn't gonna be heavy-handed? I still ended up doing that. I can definitely feel like my hair has like a somewhat like waxy coating on it, which I definitely attribute to me being heavy-handed. I do think it also took a little bit longer to dry, but that's because, you know, the ingredients in this product that kind of like sealed in the moisture and kind of like locked it in there like good. So I am okay with the results. This is a little bit more weighed down than my normal heat protectant, but I'm just gonna go on to the next section and see if I could just, you know, not be heavy-handed, because that's like my middle name of the game. But this is what my hair is looking like. I don't even know if y'all are gonna be able to see this. After the trim that I did for my natural hair update, this is how long things are. first section here. But yeah, I'm okay with it. I'm honestly like, I'm okay with my hair being weighed down and everything. Some people, they don't like it, and I'm gonna try, maybe I'll try out the wavy product just to see if that weighs it down. But yeah, I'm gonna just be less heavy-handed. That'll be good. Okay, sis, that'll be good. And you know, maybe not put it all on the length of my hair, just the ends like they had recommended. Okay, so that was the second section. And y'all, I feel like it definitely coats your hair. I feel like it definitely puts like a coating on top of your hair. Like you will not get any kind of heat damage at all. But that being said, I definitely also feels like it weighs your hair down. My hair typically, like with my normal thermal protectant, is a little bit fluffier than this and more lightweight. And this, you know, it doesn't emit a lot of heat anyway, so I feel like just by getting this machine, you're already kind of protecting your hair from heat damage. But then using a heat protectant on top of it, this, even they said on the website, is like super highly concentrated. I don't know how little of this I would have to use in order for it not to have that like coated feeling on top, you know. And it could just be my hair, but I wasn't heavy-handed with the second section, but I still do feel like it feels the same as the first section, like it's just heavier than my normal, at least for blown out hair. So why don't I try the other product, okay, the wavy one, the Wave Goodbye, see what that does, because this is a whole cream. Like I normally don't put creams on my hair. It would be more lightweight, like a serum or something, you know, but this is what is looking like. It feels moisturized, it feels strong, it feels coated. Like I said, it doesn't feel like there's gonna be any kind of heat damage. But let's try this one, the Wave Goodbye one. This is for straight and wavy textures, but I don't have a straight or wavy texture, but we're gonna see what happens, okay? Whoa, this is a cream too? I just knew it was gonna come out like a serum. Okay, well, this smells like the other product. It smells good, I like it. We're gonna see one pump. And I know y'all just heard me say the glycerin was in this product, so like, sis, what are you doing? I just want to see what's gonna happen. So one pump on this whole section. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is the section that I just did with the Wave Goodbye, and this is lightweight. It's more lightweight, and this is only one pump, okay? And it definitely feels different. This is definitely more weighed down than this section here. I also washed my hands to like see if it, like, I'm just feeling the coating because it's on my hands, not on my hair, but it's definitely on my hair. And the Wave Goodbye is just a lighter weight product. Yeah, this is what everything is looking like. I like the Wave Goodbye product more, ironically, even though it wasn't formulated for my hair type specifically, my hair texture specifically, but I like that product more because it isn't as heavy. Let me see what to do with the shine spray. They say you can use this as a detangler or as a shine spray after you get done straightening your hair. So I'm gonna just use this, spray it on before, and see what happens, y'all, because I'm just using up everything today. That's what we're doing. Smells like the other two products. Smells good, smells good. All right, here we go. Okay, so that section is done. The shine spray, it's a shine spray. It's a shine spray, it's not a heat protectant. It is what it is. I just feel like I straightened my regular hair. I don't feel like it added or protected or did anything crazy to my hair. It feels like a little bit drier to me. That section feels like a little bit drier, but it wasn't claiming to moisturize or do none of that stuff anyway. So anyway, this is what all the sections are looking like all combined. And yeah, I think I Ironically enough, I think the product that I like the most is the one with the glycerin in it. But also the one that was formulated for straight and wavy hair, because it doesn't weigh my hair down. Even though it is a cream, it's not as heavy as the one that was made for curly and coily hair. And maybe I just need to go back and reread the directions and see what's really good if I'm doing something wrong. But this is heavy and thick, and if you don't want to weigh your hair down, then I would aim for this one. But I think both of them are good, and again, depending on what you're blowing your hair out for, it may help you, it may hurt you, but I like both. I just think I like this one more, just for the feel of how I like my hair to be after it's blown out, you know? Anywho, I'm gonna keep blowing my hair out with the Wave Goodbye, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final results. Okay, so this is one half of my head done. Ooh, honey, it's hot in here. It is so hot in here, y'all. I need to take a break. I need a water break. This is what my hair is looking like on the one half. I am gonna finish the other half of my head off camera, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. All right, y'all, here we go. Inches, sis, inches. Hey guys, so here are the final results. I did finish the other half of my head with my Redken anti-snap, which is completely gone now. Need another one of those. And I'm gonna tell you, okay, final thoughts. So I like the formula of this one for curly and coily hair, but I like the consistency of this one for straight and wavy hair. And for me personally, I feel like this one did not weigh my hair down, but because the glycerin is in here and it's higher up on the ingredients list, y'all know my hair was doing that thing that it does when glycerin gets involved, and so that's why I wasn't a big fan of this formula. This one, however, I feel like if they could water this down to being the consistency of this, that would be A1. Like, these two combined, somehow if they could combine these two, that would be my perfect thermal protectant from them. Let me try this shine spray. Let me spray this on. Smells good. Oh, okay. Okay, for a second I thought it was making my hair drier. Is it shinier, y'all? I can't tell, for real. I can't tell right now. Maybe tomorrow I'll wake up and maybe I'll see a difference. But like I said, I did finish this half of my hair with my Redken anti-snap. I just feel like it's a little bit more lightweight, and again, just not as weighed down. But what else is new? For me, I do like the products, but ideally those two combined, if they could water down or like change the consistency of the one for curly and coily hair, that would be my perfect, mine specifically. If your hair does not mind glycerin, the wavy and straight one might be perfect for you. So this is what my hair is looking like, y'all. I had it in Bantu knots. I'm probably gonna sleep like that. I don't know, that actually might be really uncomfortable, but this is what my hair is looking like. We got some hang time, y'all. Are we at waist length? I don't think so. This is my waist. Oh, 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 almost. Maybe like an inch and we'll be at waist length. Maybe? I don't know, girl. We're just gonna let it grow, honey, let it grow. But yeah, that is my final thoughts. Also, I wanted to mention, if you guys wanted to see how I blow out my hair with my ReVair, I will link that video above in the eye. But I put it on low heat first. I do like the bottom half length of my hair, and then I'll take it all the way up on low heat. Then I'll brush it back out and then click it up to high heat and then dab it in like a couple of times. But that's what I was doing. And yeah, basically this is what everything is looking like. Y'all can't see all of that, but y'all know what my hair look like. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.